The IP Office Softphone, this is actually you're using your PC or your Mac as your actual phone, right? So unlike some of the other applications that are call control, this one actually is using your PC or your Mac as your actual telephone, right? So you're connecting a headset to the Windows PC or the Mac. This is probably better for some of the example applications, business travelers. We've had actual case studies where someone's traveled to China, they're in a hotel room, the hotel has Wi-Fi, and they're able to, connect over that Wi-Fi using a VPN and make, this their phone and use this from China to call people back in the US and, obviously have no phone bill because this is using voice over IP from their PC, in this case, the laptop. So having said that, let's take a look at some of the different areas. So I'm logged in. You'll notice up at the top here, I have presence. So using the soft phone in conjunction with, 1X portal, I have presence availability. Basically, I can change this and say I'm away, do not disturb, whatever, or in this case, I'm available. I can also see other people. So, for example, if I go down, I see, hey, here's Sid Rice. Sid's available. I can call Sid. I can actually instant message Sid. So I'm going to go ahead and pop up a little window here, and I can say hi, and that pops up on, in this case, I'm running Sid separately, and Sid is basically running as a 1X portal, and I'll say hello back, and you see it come back. So I can instant message with people. The instant messaging, this is an internal instant messaging off our 1X portal server. It's going to be something you can use with people that have licenses and are using 1X portal, the web-based call control software, the soft phone as you see here, or 1X mobile preferred, which also has that ability. One last application new in 8.1 is Flare, also has that instant messaging built in. You can also federate with Google Talk. So in the case of someone external has Google Talk, I'd be able to see their presence and be able to instant message them from here. So I'm going to go ahead and close that chat window. So as you kind of see, these are my contacts. I can add ones in there, friends, family, personal, whatever. Next up, I can see a history. These are all the calls I have in, missed, received, outbound, or all calls. Okay, and you can see the icons are a little different. So here's a red icon. Well, that would be a missed call, right? So I can tell kind of at a glance what what I have. If I wanted this area here, let's say I wanted to find out has Sid tried to call me, I can actually type part of it. It filters it, and I can see exactly what's there. Okay, so that's a little bit about history. Directory. So this is our directory coming off the system. So I have all the different extensions that are on my system here. Features. So I can actually come in here and program a feature. So I have a do not disturb there. Let's say I want to, let's see what I want to add here. Let's add a call record as an example, right? So now I could push that button while I'm on a call, and that'll record the call, right? So, you can program the different buttons here. I have speed dials. Oh, by the way, these speed dials also act as busy lamp fields and direct station selects. So what that means is Bill is right now unavailable. Bill's unavailable because Bill basically is on do not disturb. If I was at a Starbucks with my laptop connected to Wi-Fi, I'd be able to use this application. I could see, hey, I'm trying to call Bill. He's not available. Bill comes off do not disturb. You'll notice it changes, and then I can go ahead and click on Bill, and it dials him. Okay? So that's our speed dials. Okay? So those are some of the different things. One other thing to kind of note here is that I can see if I have voicemail up here, I can kind of change the, muting the mic or whatever, change volume. This one here, when I'm on a call, the IP Office soft phone, again, on the Windows as well as the Windows PC or as well as the Macintosh, those have the ability to do video, right? So right now I have, and this could be done a couple of ways. So here's a picture of my video. I'm not sending it because I'm not actively in a call with another unit that supports video. But here I'm pointing at my telephone. So I have an external camera connected to the system. So this could be somebody who's working in manufacturing or some other, application where I want to connect the camera to my PC and show somebody what's happening. Or I could be doing the kind of talking heads thing where I'm using the internal camera on my PC or Mac to do a face-to-face video call. So again, the Softphone has that video capability built in, um, to allow you to do those point-to-point video calls. It also has the ability to host up to 6 parties. So myself plus 5 others could be on a shared, video call. You would have small windows, kind of in a, checkerboard type arrangement where you would see all the different parties, and be able to have that call. You obviously want to make sure you have enough bandwidth to do that, as well as have a PC powerful enough to mix, because it's actually mixing the video on your PC. Okay, so that's a little bit about the IP Office Softphone. Again, you get this. You have to have preferred edition or higher on the system license, and you get this with either the teleworker or the power user license. Thank you very much.